there, gang rocker family. I am back with another video.
I always wanna hold something. She don't smoke, but she gonna roll something. Got a bad bitch, she ready to fuck something. How you get that ass? All up in the.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some great hairstyles that you can do with DSoar hair. Now, before I get into everything else, you know, the specs and all that, don't forget to follow all my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment hashtag #CatGang to get shot in my next video. Today's video shot, this is DSoar right here. So yeah, if you guys want a video shot in my next video, don't forget to comment hashtag #CatGang. So let's get into the video that way. Okay, so this is DSoar hair. It's in Peruvian, I'm pretty sure. Now I'm just gonna go into the specs of the box and basically the hair. So this is the box that the hair comes in. It just says DSoar hair and it's purple. And now when you open it, you'll first see a bonnet, and the bonnet is pretty sturdy and stretchy. And you'll get a white paper with all your information, shipping address, etc. Then you get some pretty nice wispy, like mink looking lashes. These are actually really good. Then I got a 20-inch closure, and it has some edges that you guys can use. It's also pretty see-through, and the hair is really good and soft, which I really like about it. Okay, so yeah, the closure is 20 inches, and the rest, I have two bundles that are 22, one bundle that is 20, and the closure that is 22. Now,
you just snatched it off on camera?
I've never made a wig, and I'm pretty proud of myself, if I do so say myself. Like, she's cute. Her name is Hermione. It's gonna be showing you guys some cute hairstyles that you can do for school or, you know, any occasion, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna put her right back on.
Right back on.
Right back the fuck on. that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found some cute hairstyles that you guys can use. Don't forget to follow all my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment #CareGames to get started in my next video. Now on to survival versus stuff week, enough week with the occasion. Get your right path, get your right way. So I hope you guys enjoyed that Bible verse. Peace, your girls out. And whoa.